Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to set custom ringtone or change the default ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or any other One UI 8 version. By default, set the ringtone on your Samsung device. To set the downloaded song as a ringtone or any audio file, open the app drawer on your Samsung S25 FE. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to sound and vibration. So here you can see the sounds and vibration. Tap on it. Now here you can find the ringtone option at the top. Also change the notification sound. So tap on a ringtone. Now here you can see the ringtone volume. You can increase or decrease the volume. Here you can see different default ringtones, Galaxy bells over the horizon. At the bottom you can see the list of different available ringtone on your Samsung device. If you want to set the downloaded song or your favorite song from your device, tap on the plus icon here. So tap on a plus icon. Now here you can see the tracks, album, artist and folder. If you download it on your folder on your Samsung device, you can select it on your device. So you can set on your device. So select the folder you want to set on your device. Now here we select album. So tap on the album name. Select the name on your device. When you select, tap on a done at the top right corner. Now you can see add it to the custom ring. So just select the ringtone and it will set to the custom ringtone on your Samsung S25 FE or other device. March.